Our ride on this segment of the North Coast Inland Trail begins in Monroeville, Ohio, a town of approximately 1,300 residents. The town is named after our fifth president, James Monroe. We pick up the trail just outside of town along South Main Street. When completed as planned, the North Coast Inland Trail may span the state of Ohio from Indiana to Pennsylvania. On this segment, we'll bike about 5 miles from Monroeville to Norwalk. This portion of the trail is located in Huron County and is supported by the Firelands Rails-to-Trails organization. Be sure to check out the restored railroad depot in Monroeville, which makes a good starting point for the ride. The route follows the former Toledo, Norwalk, and Cleveland Railroad corridor and still parallels an active railroad line. The trail surface is generally crushed stone and is flat and straight, passing through wooded areas as well as open farmland, with Ohio agriculture on full display. During the Revolutionary War, the British burned much of Norwalk, Connecticut. In 1809, the state of Connecticut granted land it held in Ohio as compensation to those property owners who lost their homes. This area of Ohio became known as the Firelands. Huron County was also established in 1809. Here, the trail crosses the Huron River. This historic double-arch railroad bridge was built in 1871. This slight dip marks about the only change in elevation along this segment of the trail. Norwalk, Ohio, has a population of approximately 17,000 residents. The bikeway ends as you enter Norwalk and transitions onto city streets through town. This is Norwalk Main Street Intermediate School. Along the route, you'll pass by several beautiful historic homes. The Huron County Courthouse was completed in 1819. This is where our ride ends. This video features the segment of the North Coast Inland Trail from Elmore to Lindsay, Ohio. Thank you for watching.